My name is Farhan bin Noramiza, and these are my group members, Ahmad Azkhairie bin Azwan and Zaim Ashraful Iman bin Zakaria. So today we are going to present on our assignment 1, which we have to choose an article, and our article is on the incident where there is a power grid malfunction in Bangladesh. So on October 4th, Bangladesh power grid malfunction, leading to blackout across 75 to 80% of Bangladesh. Then an investigation was underway to ascertain the reason for the grid's collapse, and power had been restored in 45% of the region hit by the blackout. By nightfall, it was still not clear when the power would be fully restored. So now I'm going to explain on the protection system they use. So a circuit breaker is an electrical switch. It is designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overcurrent or overload or short circuit. So how it works is by interrupting the electrical current when it exceeds its design limitation, therefore preventing the supply of energy to the load and damage to the circuit. So when the power demand is too high, the current it pulls from the system also increases, causing a power surge to occur.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaim Ashraful Iman bin Zakaria. I will explain about the main root cause. The country has rationed some gas supplies amid high global price driven up by Russia war in Ukraine. Over a third of the country's 77 gas power units were short of fuel. This has caused the power demand to be higher than supply. In conclusion, the government does not have enough funds to import gas supply. For the safety and health issues, the blackout and the high inflation price have angered the people. This led to a large protest on the street of Dhaka. At least three protesters were killed by the security force during the rallies. And then the blackout also disrupt water and sewage treatment, leading to public health concerns.
Next, I will explain on the legal issues. Prior to the blackout incident, the government have neglect the gas supplies demand needed to meet the power demand. The government did so under the pretense that the gas supply prices are too high, while intentionally ration some gas supplies. Blackouts also resulted in significant economic loss and damage to individuals, business, and public infrastructure. Insurance claims related to blackouts may involve complex coverage issues and may trigger disputes with insurers regarding policy interpretation, exclusions, exclusions, and the extent of coverage. For the environmental issues, the blackout have affected Bangladesh Air Quality Network, which monitors the air quality data in real time. It has also affected Bangladesh Water Development Board, which disrupts the monitoring of water qualities in rivers and coastal areas. Kalian tak buka mic?
So for the conclusion, uh, the lesson that we can learn from this incident that happened in Bangladesh. So in my opinion, the lesson that we can learn from this is that the generator in the power system need to be able to use other type of fuel other than gas fuel like coal, diesel, and oil as an alternative fuel source to reduce the dependency on gas fuel. The reason that this thing happened to Bangladesh is because they are too dependent on the gas fuel. And when the price is too high, they cannot buy enough supply of gas fuel for the system.
In my opinion, I think the lesson we can learn from this incident is that the people need to learn how to save electricity to decrease the power demand. So, so that when the power demand is less, the government will need to buy less gas fuel to meet the power demand.
For me, the lesson we can learn from this is that the government in Bangladesh is too dependent on gas fuel. They need to think of an alternative green energy like solar or hydro as a backup to reduce the load on the gas generators.
Okay, so that is all from us. Thank you.